If you have back pain, then watch this video. The seller sent me this red light therapy belt so I could give you my opinion on it and show you how it works. Included with this belt is an instruction booklet, and then you also get a charging cord. This is a wireless device. One thing that I really liked about this belt is that you can download an app on your phone and you can use the controls on your phone to work the belt. Now, I thought that was really unique. You can also use the controls that are right here on the belt as well on the battery pack. So let's go ahead and turn it on so you can see what it looks like. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of red lights, and there's 4 different modes that you can use to help decrease inflammation. Here are all your different modes. And if you press the P, there are 10 different power levels. This belt is very, very long, so it should fit almost anybody. You can wrap it all the way around your stomach, and this is all soft right here so that the Velcro attaches to it. Let me show you how it looks on me. Now, as you can see, this fits very well. I still have a lot of room left if I wanted to make it looser or if I needed a bigger size. And then it's very handy because the battery pack is right here and the buttons that you need to push are right here as well. But then also, don't forget that you have the handy app to help control this belt. I wore this belt for a couple of days and I felt much better. If you have back pain, I would highly recommend this belt.